Hi everyone. Today I will tell you about an app which will simplify your sales process. It is an online order app. The online order app is a browser-based application that helps you to sell online without a website. Different businesses can use it, such as wholesalers, manufacturers, and retailers. How does it work? In the application settings, choose which products will be listed with the link. Create a link. By clicking this link, your customer will see a simple web store and can place the order. Send a link to your customers or publish it on your social account or website. Receive new orders in Kladana. Now I shall show you how to set up and use this app. Open the Applications tab, find the online order app, click through it, and press on Install button. After the app is installed, open it. Here you can define essential settings for your simple e-store. Choose which group of items should be available for ordering. In my case, I choose 4 groups: appliances, bedsheets, cosmetics, and furniture for home. Put the tick on Allocate Ordered Products to committed stock if you want automatically reserve goods for received orders. Choose which product should be seen in your e-store on the link All products, services, bundles, only on hand or only available. I choose on hand products. Choose the price type. Your customer will see price according to it. Choose the warehouse from which you want to sell. In my case, it will be main warehouse. And choose your company. To receive orders, I'll select our company private limited. In case you need to create a link that can be used by any of your customers, put the tick on public link and save it. The link is generated. You can copy it and send it to your customers via email, WhatsApp, or website. If in some time you will add some new product groups, you just need to add new groups and save the link. Don't delete the link, just update it by saving it. When your customer opens the link, he can see your catalog items, prices, and create the order. He can also open the link from his mobile phone, and the page is mobile adaptive. For example, you have sent the link for all your customers, and one of them decided to order home appliances. If he wants to place, for example, 30 pieces of kettle and 30 pieces of toaster, he will see that available stock is less. It is shown to him because I have chosen to show only on-hand stock. So he enters 5 pieces of kettle and 5 pieces of toaster. Then he goes to the cart and click on Place Order. After entering his details, he places the order. Let's see what has happened in your account in Kladana after the order is placed. In Sales Order, you can see a new order has appeared. Let's open it. Order is created for default customer. Also, you can see that order was placed with an online order app. Sales order contains items that were ordered, toasters, and kettles. Items are reserved because appropriate tick was put on in settings. All details such as phone number, email, details are placed in notes field. So now I can replace default customer by the information in details. After this, I can confirm this order and ship it to the customer. Also, you can create a custom link for the specific customer. For that, open list of counterparties and then find the customer, open the card. Here you can see the block with online order app. Before you see a custom link, you have to go to the discounts and price tab. Choose the price type for that customer. Save counterparty card. After this, you can see option to create a link. Besides prices, you can select special item groups that this customer will see after opening this link. When prices and groups are chosen, save the link. Now you can copy it and send it to your customer. Let's summarize how synchronization between online order app and your account in Kladana works. What is supported by real-time synchronization? Orders appear in sales orders section. Update of the prices and stock level. New items added to the chosen item groups. What is not supported? Online order app does not create counterparty cards. All orders are created for default customer counterparty. That's all. Some useful links you can find in the description below. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.